Big breaking news coming in. Latest satellite images have been accessed, which is a proof of Chinese build-up near the Pangong Tso region. Remember, this comes ahead of the third round of co-commander level meeting, which is going to take place in Chushul. We've accessed these satellite images which show that China, in fact, has expanded its heliport, which is located 21.3 kilometers northeast from the line of actual control. And those are, in fact, the images that we have for you. We are playing out on the screens at this point in time. I believe Hina is joining us with more details. Let's go across to her. Hina, these latest images show that China, it has not built a new heliport, but it has revamped an old heli base as well.
That's right. So let's first tell our viewers what exactly is the location that we are talking about. You mentioned about the distance of about 21.3 kilometers away from Pangong Tso Lake. So if you go to Google, this is how Pangong Tso Lake looks like. Let's just focus on this area. So this is Pangong Tso Lake, and towards the Chinese side, we are being told that there was a helipad and it has been expanded. This is the satellite image from 22nd of June. There is a comparison that has been done from the satellite image that was there back in 2017 to what we saw on 22nd of June 2020. And this is the area that I want our viewers to focus on. So this is the helipad of Chinese side, and this has been expanded. Two big developments have taken place. One, the existing helipad there has been expanded. More infrastructure development has taken place. And the second aspect is the heli base that is also there. Even that has been revamped in 22nd June 2020 satellite image that we have got. And this is the place where these two are located, the helipad here and a heli base here. Apart from this, I also want to show to our viewers that India also has got two helipads very close to the LAC, and these are the two helipads that you can see here that were built in 2017. Defense experts believe that, you know, the strategic location of the helipads that India has along the LAC is going to be advantage India in any kind of a situation. And at the same time, China has been increasing its activity. So there is another proof that has come in that how China has been increasing, developing infrastructure more and more around the area that is near LAC. And this is the latest development as far as the helipad there is concerned that belongs to the Chinese.
Right. Hina, stay on with us. Let's also go across to our National Affairs Editor, Srinjoy Chaudhary. Srinjoy, Hina was explaining to us how the Chinese, in fact, have revamped the old heli base. They've expanded the heliport. That clearly hasn't happened overnight. So there was a steady build-up from the Chinese side. But defense experts believe that India's helipads are closer to the LAC. So that clearly is advantage India.
Yes, first of all, it is a matter of great concern that the Chinese infrastructure is building up. They naturally have to build up. If they have 10, 12,000 troops right on the line of control, you need to supply them in these very difficult areas, geographically very difficult areas, which is why you need those helipads. You have 12,000 troops fairly close to the line of actual control. You have to supply them. You have to supply them with everything, including their ammunition, including their weaponry, including their food and clothing and so on, winter clothing and everything. So naturally, you will need helipads. And also, if there is a kind of fracas, as there happened on the 15th night, you will need helicopters to take the injured soldiers or the soldiers who have been fatal casualties back to hospitals or wherever, and you need it quickly, which is why you need those helicopters. And the Chinese have been building and developing this airbase, this heli base, and that there is absolutely no dispute about it. It's about 20 kilometers from the line of actual control, not that far if it's a helicopter involved, which is really a few minutes of flying time. Yes, as you rightly said, India has a large number of these LZs, landing zones, all along the line of actual control, right from Arunachal Pradesh right up to Ladakh. So there is a fair amount of activity, if necessary, that India can indulge in. Of course, the talks are today, and it's a very crucial day because the talks are going to be on the Indian side in Chushul. The Indian Lieutenant General Harinder Singh has invited his counterpart, Major General Lin Liu, across to Chushul. Last two meetings, as you know, were in Moldo. And the two issues that are going to come up are really disengagement.
Right. Srinjoy, I'll come back to you as far as those two issues are concerned. Let's quickly also go across to RSN Singh, defense expert, joining us on the broadcast. RSN Singh, like Srinjoy was pointing out, there's a third round of meeting which is going to take place in Chushul this time around. You know, standoff or no standoff, the thing that India needs to focus on is the steady push for infrastructure build-up on the Chinese side, which hasn't stopped.
No, I suppose I've always maintained that the designs are strategic, and the major objective is, they do not want us to dominate the Karakoram. They do not want us to. They perceive that we may pose a danger to the China-Pakistan economic corridor. And so therefore I don't see, I'm an optimist, but, then you have to carry out hard analysis. And my analysis tells me that unless, we back off in, from the nothing.
All right. RSN Singh ji, shukriya aapka humse baat karne ke liye. Moving on, we have some more breaking inputs coming in. The ED team has reached senior